everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into UPSCRS account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in upsers.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. UPSCRS is an online portal used by the UPS employees. As an employee, if you want to sign into your account, then all you need to do is to click on this login link at the top right. In the sign-in area, type in your employee number along with @ups.com at the end, just like I'm showing you right now. And once you do that, click on the next button. Now you'll be taken to a next page where you can enter your password. Simply enter your password associated with your account in the text box. If you don't remember your password, you can click on this Forgot My Password link in order to reset your password to a new one. After you are done filling in the password, click the sign in button and you'll be able to get access to your UPSCRS account quick and easy. That is how you'll be able to do it. I hope the tutorial helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.